job. That's exactly the goddamn fault.
Man, why is he ragging on Mako like that? Anyways, forget him. Look at how messy he is. Ugh. But I got that subframe right there. We did the transmission, as y'all saw last video. We are now about to install some lower control arms. Then I have some outer tie rod ends over there. So we're gonna get to it. I need to wheel that over this way. And yeah, this will be the final video to this transmission install. And I can't forget, I do have an AC hose right there. So if y'all bear with me, we'll get to it right quick. Okay, let me mount up right there. Let me get this guy to clean up a little bit because I don't want to be slipping in all his stuff. But yeah, let's do it. Bro, if I could get free tools from anybody, I'd be living. Oh shit. I don't think anybody would complain about the tools they're using if they got free tools.
I would.
No, you wouldn't. You're a goddamn lie. But if you're making money off of it, you ain't gonna be complaining.
They don't fucking make me money, but I'm struggling.
Well, no. I'm talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about. How long you been working here for? You're doing fucking shit.
Me?
Yeah.
Too long? I've been here for going on 11 years. Yeah, buddy. Oh, shit. But yeah, if you made money through a sponsorship, you would not be complaining about the tools. Just got to use them to show them off, and then man, forget you, dog. I ain't been here that long.
I was talking about milk, bitch.
Oh, all right, no, because remember, you're foreman. Yeah.
I won't say nothing about our good Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
This guy's out here fooling. Making me have to work harder on my edits using slurs. Man, who else likes doing suspension work with the subframe out of the car? Makes everything so much easier.
Sorry. You know, I probably be faster at doing these trannies if I got more often.
Well, why don't you?
I don't know, probably because I get the shit end of the stick.
Or maybe if you just show up on Saturdays on time. What happened?
I really need this fucking shit.
You want to use mine?
No.
Why?
I'll just fix it for a second.
Then don't complain. Should I? Oh, wrong way. Let's lift this up a little bit. Yeah, look at that on a carousel. Woo! Oh shit! Wait, wrong way. Wrong way. Oh my god. What am I doing? Oh my goodness. There we go. Double tap. You know, I think everybody hates that I like Matco so much because everybody hates the truth. And the truth is, Matco's not a bad brand. Or the tools they rebrand ain't bad. Just saying. What are you talking about? You use Snap One.
This is Ingersoll Rand.
I know. Okay, so why'd you buy that instead of Ingersoll Rand? Can you tell me?
Yeah, because I could get credit.
Because what?
I could get credit on the truck. That's the only reason.
Come on, scoot over. There we go. Ah! Whoa! 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 Oh. Fucking copyright. I think I heard enough of this on on Saturday.
America!
Wow. Can you turn that down a little bit? You're messing with my money. Got it. Oh, I'm too far over that way. Oh, come on. What the hell? What the? In the hell? Come on. There we go. I don't remember. That's a key on. Yeah. No. Yeah. Try to direction the bolts the same way they came out. Or I don't know. But my theory behind it is, if the bolt comes loose, the air is going to be pushing it back into the knuckle rather than fall out. I don't know. My theories are weird sometimes. Sorry if I have music playing over right now. You know, when guys don't do this, they don't understand the copyright stuff. Come on. Oh, that's why.
How long to do the easiest transmission there is to do on the fucking diesel?
Well, it all depends.
Oh!
Depends on how much your neighbor interrupts you with his fuckery. Liar! Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. But at least, as long as I use Matco stuff, it'll go in. The only stripping I do is on the weekends. Hey, gotta make the money somehow, bro.
I don't think you make that much though.
It don't matter. Participation money.
I know you tried your hardest, but use the front.
I don't know why I put those in. I was trying to be smart. That ain't gonna work. And all I need to do is do that. You left my fucking, oh my god. You left my jack stand all wet, bro. That one. Yeah, you did. You don't appreciate me, what? Wow. Extended warranty. Thank you, copyright. Appreciate you. What's that from? Oh, that's your, for your bike? Cause what? Oh. That one works better?
It's metal and the way it grabs when you screw the bolts in. There's these little 3 triangle metal pieces, and as you tighten it, there's rubber bands holding it, and as you tighten it, it pretty much puts those metal pieces out and grabs it and locks it in. And then they make like phone chargers where you can put that on the back of the mount so you can charge your phone.
What the hell? And it hooks up to the bike?
Yeah, just gotta wire it to the, I think, the battery. I gotta figure out how to wire it.
Hey, you know that car that the exterior with the heaters?
Yeah.
You know, for me making that video, it's another one that's going viral.
Oh my god.
Because people were talking so much shit, thinking I didn't know what it was. That's bullshit. Like, bro, come on now. Crazy, huh?
Well, you know what the fuck you were talking about.
Huh? You didn't know what I was talking about. Like, not even the fact.
You're gonna work?
You just got done with an 8-hour ticket. Not even the fact that I threw the license plate in there. Yeah. Is there even anything to locate to?
Like 3 or 4 keys. got a tranny.
You have a tranny?
Yeah, Pathfinder.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Wow.
Just because they needed an answer real quick, because so the sister wanted, like, if we had a way to upload navigation.
Oh, that's
Or to a car that doesn't have any navigation.
yeah. That's the one.
Yeah. And I'm like, oh, that's not even possible. That's a lot of shit you gotta fucking change in order to do that.
I have not gotten lucky on much lately.
What do you mean not got lucky? You got a transmission?
No. Like with other advisors.
Right.
Only this one.
Right.
Who was the advisor? One maybe. I said one maybe. Yeah, like a good ticket.
Oh, no.
I haven't. I've had a lot of bullshit. Yeah, oh, bro, I get one diamond in the rough, maybe. Guarantee you he didn't sell me nothing on that rogue. Let me stop clowning around. Just get this done. You good? Now I am dreading to do the AC line. Let's say the AC lines. Oh wait, hold on. It'd be smart if I open this up. Yeah. Y'all see it? So easy. Damn extended warranty company only paying me what, 3/10 or something like that? Like, bro, what? For both? Not even 5/10? Not even a half hour? Because they say it's overlap. Like, yo, what? Oh, makes no sense. They tripping. I don't know. So on these I got that. It came with a new nut. Y'all gotta make sure that you put it on the right side, on the correct side, because if not, then you won't be hitting the wheel when turning. I've seen people do that. And I'm like, what? How did you put it on the wrong side? Like, wow. That's all I'm gonna say. I won't get too deep into that. Now imagine if they gave me the same side twice. Man, that would really suck. I'm almost done though, guys. And y'all ain't gotta hear me rant no more. Or yeah, I don't know. Oh, actually, we still got the AC line. Shoot. Y'all want to know what defeat looks like? Right there. Ew, bro. I said, you want to know what defeat looks like? Right there. This guy. I need to put the covers on. But I have everything connected. Boom, boom. That's done. The control arms, tie rod ends. have the jam nuts loose. Need to put the sway bar and links on, which I need to clean that one up. We got, yeah, I went on crooked. What else? What else? Oh, I need to put an order in for these damn push pin clips because I am starting to run low. They get more and more expensive too. But it's one of those like, not throwaways. I don't remember what to call it. Consumables. It's a consumable. To me. Helps with my customer satisfaction scores.
And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can see the thoughts good enough.
Let's see if I'm not even gonna edit that out. I'm gonna see if YouTube will let it roll. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, let's get her down. Make sure the coast is clear. Oh, I didn't even put the other cover on. Shit. But this nut, I gotta clean it up if I can. I should be good. God, it's the nut itself. Ooh. Hot nut, hot nut. The nut got hot. There we go. Alright guys, man, forget that. This is gonna be a whole different video. Cause yeah, this part's gonna be easy, but it's getting back there that's gonna be a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna have to take that cowl off in order to access that back hose. So yeah, I really don't want to make this video longer than what it is. So if y'all could please do me a favor, like, comment, share, subscribe down at the bottom, join the FMFAM for a small fee, and check out these videos right here. Subscribe right there. No, opposite. Check out these videos right here. Subscribe right there. We out of here. Deuce.
Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody